I don't look Gucci grandma to the socks right now, but it's all good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by the song 11 Minutes by Halsey and Youngblood. I tried to film this video yesterday like 2 times or something, I don't know, but it didn't work out. So I'm going to try again because never give up. I have like the look drawn out on a piece of paper. I won't show you guys now because you'll see the finished result later. If you guys don't know who I am, hi, what's up? My name is Eva. I make videos sometimes. Yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you want to see more content, whatever. I'm gonna start the look because this intro is way too long and confusing. So yeah, I'm gonna look really weird at the start because I'm gonna be trying to do the eye makeup, the eye look I wanted to do yesterday but failed. I hope it works today, because if it doesn't, it's not good. You got me to relax. My nose is so itchy. So I'm gonna start by doing my brow on this side, and I'm only doing one brow because I'm gonna be doing some crazy stuff right over here, so I don't have to do the eye look on this. Also, I've been breaking out, but that's nothing new, so yeah. I don't remember the day where I see my skin clear to BH. I think it was like 8 years ago. I think so, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna do my brow. It's very simple. I use the Morphe 350M to do my brows. I don't use gel or whatever, I just use powder. I find it easier. Yeah, this is not really interesting, I don't know. Imagine leaving the house with this type of brow. I'd probably slap myself if I ever did that. I'm gonna use the Catrice high coverage concealer. Use this concealer like all the time. I'm just gonna use this concealer to shape my brow. I really don't, this isn't like a tutorial, this, I don't know. So basically what this does, it perfects my brow and I look normal. Do you know what this will have to do? Basically this is my brow and I'm gonna just leave it like that. Now, pray to God, I swear, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna sue. Basically, I'm gonna take my concealer stick and just put concealer on my eyelid as my like eyeshadow base. If this does not work, I swear to God. I'm gonna use sellotape to like make a little, just put it on my side of my eye. I use this basically to make my eyeshadow like snatched. So that's the daily schmealio there, ladies. So I just kind of like place that thing right here. I'm gonna be using the Carnival palette because I feel like it might work with this palette. I tried to use the James Charles palette and it didn't work because I was using concealer, not eye primer, whatever. Wow, okay. I'm gonna go with Foolish first. I don't know if you guys knew this palette, but it's like this light pink. I'm gonna go with that first, then I'm gonna go with Funky, then Wifey, and then Wasted. That's what I'll be when I'm done this look. So I'm just gonna place the color, the shade Foolish on my eye like so. I'm gonna dab and swish and swirl and see where it goes. I'm gonna go in with the color Funky. It's like bright pink and pretty. I'm gonna apply this like so on my crease and kind of just dab the color rather than swirl it, just to give its pigment the Nikki Tutorials way, basically. I'm going to see Youngblood on 6th of March, and then I'm seeing Jeremy Zucker on 28th of February, and I'm excited. It's gonna be a really good show. Going back to Foolish with my blending brush and just kind of giving it more color. So then I'm going in with Wasted. It's a purple shade and I'm gonna try to apply it on top, basically the outer corner of this look. I don't like how quiet it is in my room right now. Makes me feel uncomfortable. I'm gonna cut the crease right now. I'm pretty, it works out. When I'm cutting the crease, by the way, I like to use like a small brush rather than one of those big ass brushes like other people use. I just couldn't use that. It just makes it too messy and feels like I don't have like control of the look and stuff. I don't know. So now that I've like cut my crease and all, I'm going to be applying that shimmer right there. Now she's gonna go everywhere, but that's okay. I think this is very pretty. Just gonna apply it on top of the concealer. So basically this is all I'm gonna do with the eye right now. I don't want to go any further or else I'll probably most likely f it up. What I'm gonna do with the eye, I'm going to do my foundation off camera and then come back once I have all of that jazz done. I think I'm gonna contour and all that jazz, and then yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you what I'm gonna do next, because this is not a this isn't really a tutorial. This is just more like me showing you guys what I do and how I do it and stuff. I did my foundation and my contour and all of that. I applied an eyelash to my left eye, but for you it's right. What's up? What's up? So basically I'm gonna now outline the things I'm gonna go mad and crazy about. So basically I'm going to draw. This isn't really working, isn't it? I'm gonna draw a square right over here. I know I did foundation and all, but that's okay, I guess. I'll just go over it with whatever I'm gonna be using. Okay, this looks more like a rectangle, but that's okay. Yeah, that looks like a rectangle. Oh well. Then I'm gonna draw another one right over here. So basically that's what we're going to do with that. I'm gonna take my brow contour pro thing. I'm just gonna be using like a light shade to do detail work. No, if these turn out like rectangles or whatever, that's okay. I'm trying to think because I can't really see that. Yeah, I can't really see that. I'm just gonna go under the brown instead so I know what I'm doing later on, because I probably won't be able to see that. That's not even whatsoever. Oh. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna try to do one here. That looks way better than this one. I think this square is way too down. So BRB, because I'm going to fix this up, and once I do, I'm gonna come back and do the rest of detail work and do the rest. I really can't English today, I don't know why, but I'm gonna come back with this fixed up and I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna begin with the procedure. This either may work or not. I don't know. It's my first time trying to do something like this, so we'll see what's up and what's future coming to us off. So I'm just gonna do kind of these thingies, low-key in a way, kind of copying what I'm doing right now, but in a way I'm not. I'm gonna make it go like so. It'll make sense later. Right now you just be looking at it thinking like, what the fuck are you doing? I should not be cussing. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be taking one of these brushes. Mine is from Sonara. This is, I guess, size 12. I don't know. So I'm gonna be using aqua paint. I'm gonna have some water. I've been having this technique for a while, I guess. I don't know. I just sprayed the water into the black and that's all. I'm gonna take the black and I'm going to fill in these parts black, basically. That's all. I'm basically just going to be filling all of this area black. If I mess up, that's phenomenal. Okay guys, so this is what we have right now. I'm gonna go in with my aqua paint. I'm gonna mix white and red to make like this kind of pinky color right here, and then we're gonna fill in the boxes, but not fully. Like, we can fill it up like perfectly on these edges, but not on those, because we're gonna try to do a 3D kind of thing. I'm gonna show you what to do on this box, and I'm gonna do this off camera because this will take a minute. But yeah, let's go in for it. Let's let the fun games begin. So I'm gonna basically outline the square now. gonna go into my James Charles palette. I'm gonna use the Kaylee brush SK04, and I'm going to shade some black right down here and see how that goes. Really, like, guys, I really don't know what I'm doing. I look mad. Well, I'm going to color the rest of the box, square, whatever you call it, in. So basically, guys, I just outlined the box and added a bit more shading inside here, and that's all I did. And there's not much to see, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to work this thing out and see how I can make this look how I want it to be. I think we're gonna go do some shading around this box area and a bit outside. We're going to see how this goes. Basically, I'm adding this white just so I can add the skin color back, because I'm meant to have it in this corner right here, but I put many other colors instead. I'm not really good at explaining these things, I'm sorry. It's just I'm not really used to it. Now we're gonna go in with some browns and kind of shade it in there, and so just keep on going in and out and see what happens. I really don't know what's happening here right now. But anyway, guys, this is the finished look. I did not show you how I did the rest of this because I got a phone call. And yeah, I just kind of left it. Basically what I did, I just took a flat brush like so, and I took a brown, and then I just kind of like shaded around to give this effect of like it's in my skin or something, you know what I'm saying? And then basically for this I gave up and I just colored it mostly black and kind of put some white in it just to, like, you know, I don't know, guys. I don't know how I feel about this look. It didn't really go the way I wanted to, but it's something. And we all gotta try things out. If we don't, then we'll never know when you learn and all that jazz. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys very soon. Skidoodles. By the way, guys, don't forget to follow my Instagram account where I post all my makeup looks. It's at Eva Christina MUA. So yeah.